Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to refund Udemy course. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to log in into our Udemy account. If you are using the Udemy app, then that's better. And if you are using your PC, then you are going to go ahead and go to the Udemy website. And we are just going to go to My Learning at the upper right hand corner of our interface. And you are just going to choose the course that you want to have the refund. So just click the course. And at the upper right hand corner of our interface, you see the three dots icon here. So you're going to click that. Now, as you can see, you have here different options. Now, since this is a free course, then we will not be able to request a refund. However, if you are on a paid course, then if you are going to click the three dots, then this is what it's going to appear. So you have there at the bottom, you have the request a refund. You are just going to click that and it's going to direct you into the refund page. So this is the refund page and you have here options on your refund method. So you have there the Udemy credits. So Udemy credits will show up in your account immediately. And you are going to indicate your refund reason. So you're just going to choose from the options here at the drop down menu. And below this is you are going to state a description of the reason for your refund. So there you go, and then you are just going to click submit. Once you've done that, you will be able to get a refund in 5 to 10 business days. And that's it. That's how you're going to get a refund on Udemy. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.